Hello dear student. Today I am going to describe about an important object of database, that is report. A report is an object in a database that is used to represent the data of the table in the final layout. So a report is the final output of tables data that is represented to the management for decision making purpose. A report is like a PDF document where you cannot change, alter, update data. That means a report is the final output of the table information. Report can be created by using the create tab. Before that, how many views are there with report? Let's see. You can see student, there are report view, print preview, then design view, then layout view. These four views you can have. In the diagram also, at the right hand side of your textbook, you can see report view, print preview, layout view, design view. These four views of the report you can have under the view button of file menu. Now how to create a report? To create a report, we need to go through certain steps. First step, you need to click on a table or a query based on which you can create a report. We can create report based on a table or query. So suppose we want to create a report based on a table. So just double click on the table name in the navigation pane. The table will be displayed in MS Access window. After that, you click on the create tab, that is step 2. So step 2, you click on the create tab. Step 3, under the create tab, you will find reports group. Under the reports group, you click on report button. This is step 3. When you click on report button, then a report is generated. As you can see, this is the report that is generated. When the report is generated, report is mainly generated in layout view. Remember this. And also, when the report is generated and displayed in the layout view, you see here 4 additional tabs are opened automatically. Design tab, arrange tab, format tab, page setup tab. That means when you are opening this report, you are generating and displaying this report. With the report, these 4 additional tabs will be open: design, arrange, format and page setup. Okay, so now after this 4 number step, we come into step number 5. We need to save a report. How we can save a report? You just click on the file and click on the save tab. Save as dialog box will come and then you save the report. When you save the report, your report name will be displayed at the navigation pane. You can see your report name is displayed at the navigation pane. After that, you can format and design the report. How? You have design tab. Through the design tab, as you can see, here I am mentioning the design tab. Through the design tab, you can add this logo and the title of the report. The logo is here given and title is Dr. List. This is the title of the report that you have generated. This you can do by the help of design tab. Now you can set background by the help of format tab. You go to the format tab and you can set the background of the report. After that, you need to print the report. As I have already told that a report is the final layout of a table information represented to the management for decision purpose. So you need to print the report. How you will print the report? You can go to home tab. You can see I'm mentioning with my mouse pointer home tab or design tab. There you will find view option. You click on the view option, then you go to the print preview option. That is the second step. In the print preview option, before printing you need to see the report in print preview option. After that you can set the page size. Suppose A4 size page you are taking. Margin, suppose narrow margin you are taking. Orientation, suppose portrait orientation you are taking, or landscape orientation you are taking. After setting all, you can print a report. When you are printing a report, you get the final output like this. So this is all about the report. I am recapping all the things again. So excuse me student, just wait once. Yes, so we were talking about report. So let's just wait once again. So here again I'm recapping the all things once again. A report is the final layout or final output of the table's data that is represented to the management for decision making purpose. A report is like a PDF form, a PDF data where the data cannot be altered or changed. Report is having four views. As you can see in the diagram, you can go to home tab. In the home tab, you can go to view option. In the view option, you will get report view, print preview, layout view and design view. These four views of the report. After that, you can create the report. How you can create the report? First step, you click on the create tab. Second step, you go to the reports group. Third step, you click on the report button. When you click on the report button, the report will be generated and displayed. When the report is generated and displayed, four additional tabs will come: design tab, arrange tab, format tab and page setup tab. After that, you can change the design of the report by clicking on the design tab. You can add logo and title of the report. Also, you can format the report by mentioning the background color. Here, orange background color is given by using the format tab. After designing and formatting is completed, you can print the report. How? You can go to the home tab or design tab and there you can click on the view option or view button and go to the print preview. In the print preview, you can see how the report is coming when you are printing. There you can set the page size, margin or orientation and your report can be generated. And once more, when your report is done, is created, you can save the report and you can see the report name is generated at the navigation pane. So this is all about the report. Thank you all the students.